Now we're going to move on to an Italian recipe.
To dinner time, to lunchtime, something you can take with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What are we making here?
We're going to be making some stuffed cabbage rolls. So first thing we got to do.
Italian stuffed cabbage rolls.
Yeah.
Yum.
Pretty simple. So here we got some turkey meat. I'm going to crack in 1 egg. All right. I'm going to add the personality here with a little bit of garlic.
Don't be cheap with the garlic.
Okay,
you didn't buy it. Oh, stop.
You didn't buy it. All right, here we go. Some sage. There we go.
Yep.
And then some Italian seasoning, just like that. And then I want you to mix it up for me. You have a spoon? Let me get a...
Please.
Oh my God. Oh, whoa. All right, and now we're going to take some onion. There we go. Onion and then some bell pepper.
Spoon, you'll be here all year.
There we go. That's right. Get your hands dirty. And then we're going to
instead of breadcrumbs, you're going to add farro.
Some farro. This is great because it's high in protein. And it'll give you something different than just brown rice in your diet. You can also add in some quinoa. All right. Get that a good...
Salt and pepper. Don't be lazy.
Okay. Sorry. I know. I'm going to be on my game. So here we go. Some salt.
Salt and pepper.
Oh, hold on. I do it right.
There you go. There you go.
And then a little bit of pepper.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Add that in there. Okay. That is perfect. Okay. So we boiled some leaves. And
now,
then
did you blanch these?
Yes, blanch them. And now so they're really soft.
You want this in here?
Yep. Put that right in there. And the good thing about this is that these are easy to portion out.
You fill the leaf.
Fill the leaf. You roll it up.
Roll it on in there.
Here, let me help you out just a little bit. There we go.
I'm trying to hold on to my ring at the same time.
There we go.
I don't want to put that in the cabbage.
Yeah. And we put some marinara down there.
Oh, that's enough. Throw that one in the oven.
Perfect. We're going to add, just top it off.
A little more on top.
Yeah, a little more. And then we're going to sprinkle on some mozzarella on top. Add this to the oven. Let's see. Okay.
Beautiful, baby.
Yep.
Pop that in there. You want me to grab this one for you?
Yes, please. I was already going.
I got it.
Good. You got it?
Whoa. Wow.
There you go.
These look amazing.
You like that? There you go.
Delicious. Now,
thank you.
You guys are all going to be looking good and walking tall because everybody's going home with a copy of Fit